I have to. They made us study a song.
Yeah, they made us study a song. And
How many days do you have to study that?
I had
Ako
3 days.
overnight. Baso.
Oo, correct.
No, because I couldn't study at that time. I was doing another play. But then I really wanted to do Rent. So, Toph here. Hi, Toph.
Hey.
Sent me the
producer.
material. The
No
next
naman.
day, yan na. Yeah, Toph de Vanessa.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how many judges are there on the panel to say, oh, okay yan? Oh, hindi pwede.
My time. Ito ba?
Ako,
Tatlo,
3.
ganun, tatlo.
3.
Usually the producers, the directors.
Ako 4 yan.
Ako din ako. Marami sila actually.
I think we should try out.
Yeah. I think this is
Audition for our next
I
show.
might just pursue a thespian career.
Yeah, but you can't be Sam, ha? In the
Yeah.
play. You
Yeah.
can't be.
That's
I
the
think
joy
he
of
can
being
play,
a theater. You get to be someone else on stage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
He can't be
wow.
yourself.
I love role playing. I love role playing.
Role play.
Maybe Sam can play,
The MMDA
Angel.
guy.
Uy, maybe Sam can play Angel. Wala akong kissing scene na girl sa
Oo.
Nightmare.
Oh.
Talo talaga.
Kaya mo yan.
Pero meron kaming girls doon na may kissing scene.
Yeah, oo.
Girl to girl.
Still in Rent.
Yeah,
Yeah. Kasi tatlo dito yung
So there's a
love
straight
team, eh.
couple and
There's
there's
like two girls,
ano.
you guys, and girl guy also.
And you guys, obviously, you guys were saying that it's all about the music. So
Yeah.
I think it'd be important, for us to get a sample.
Sure, sure.
Of the music.
Okay.
So here we go.
So here's something from me.
Light my candle.
Pwede ayan, i-start namin.
Oh, starting.
May music
Hindi
ba?
ba ito yung start?
Hindi eh. Hindi namin narinig. Game.
Okay.
Okay.
Share na lang sila. Sila ka
Yeah.
May nagbe-bass, no?
Ah.
May nagbe-bass, guys.
Boom the bass.
May party dito.
May nagbo-boom.
Okay.
Okay.
Go na ba? Go.
Sige.
Alright.
What you forget,
Got a light.
I know you're shivering.
It's nothing, they turned off my heat. And I'm just a little weak on my feet. Would you light my candle? What are you staring at?
Nothing, your hair in the moonlight. You look familiar. Can you make it?
Just haven't eaten much today. At least the room stopped spinning. Anyway, what?
Nothing, your smile reminded me.
I always remind people of who is she?
She died. Her name's April.
It's out again. Sorry about your friend. Would you light my candle?
Well,
Yeah. Ow!
oh, the wax is
Dripping. I like it between my.
fingers. I figured. Oh well. Good night. It blew out again.
No, I think that I dropped my stash.
I know I've seen you out and about when I used to go out. Oh, your candle's out.
I'm ill in. I had it when I walked in the door. It was pure. Is it on the floor? They say that I have the best ass below 14th Street. Is it true?
What?
You're staring again.
Oh no, I mean you do. Have a nice. You look familiar.
Like your dead girlfriend.
Only when you smile, but I'm sure I've seen you somewhere else.
Do you go to the Cat Scratch Club? That's where I work. I dance. Help me look.
Yes, they used to tie you up.
It's a living.
I didn't recognize you without the handcuffs.
We could light the candle. Oh, would you light the candle?
Why don't you forget that stuff? You look like you're 16.
I'm 19, but I'm old for my age. I'm just born to be bad.
I once was born to be bad. I used to shiver like that.
I have no heat,
I used to
told
sweat.
you. I got a cold.
I used to be a junkie.
But now and then I like to feel good.
Hey, what's that?
What's that?
A candy bar wrapper.
We could light the candle. Oh, won't you do to my candle?
That was my last match.
Our eyes will adjust. Thank God for the moon.
Maybe it's not the moon at all. I hear Spike Lee shooting down the street.
Bah humbug. Bah humbug.
Gold hair.
Yours too big. Like my father. You wanna dance?
With you.
No. With my father.
I'm Roger.
They call me. They call me. They call me. Me. Galing mo, girl. Hindi ka natawa. Meron po kami ginagawa dun sa part na yun with her, ano naman.
Huwag naman.
They call me. Ay, do you wanna dance?
With you.
Hindi yan gumawa nun. No, ikaw sumagot. With Tita Soto. Instead of with my father.
Pero siya kasi gumawa nun, kaya buti na lang sa'yo napunta yung part na yun. Matawa.
I did notice though a lot of double music.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, that's why I told
You have a
you
candy bar.
nakaka-nervous.
Yeah, you have a candy bar in your pocket.
No.
I noticed it's dripping.
I know. It's candle yun.
Napakabit ako eh.
Candle yun.
Water. Teka lang. Nakabit muna ako.
Ibang
May
happy.
matches ka dyan, may matches. Nawala na yan. Wala gusto eh, yung matches ka eh. Tayo naman. Duet tayo.
So once again, why don't you give our listeners, the rundown where they can get the tickets and when?
Alright, once again, we'd like to invite everybody to watch Rent the Musical. It's brought to you by Nine Works Theatrical. It will be the Carlos P. Romulo Auditorium, RCBC Plaza. For tickets, just call Ticket World at 891-9999 or call 557-5860 or 586-7105 or 0917-554-5560 or log on to www.nineworkstheatrical.com. We're on from Feb 12 to March 6th, all weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
And you have a Facebook as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Facebook.
Nine works.
Nine Works Theatrical.
Yeah.
Just go to Nine Works
Yes, directed by Robbie Guevara, brought to you by Nine Works Theatrical.
Yes.
And we'd like to thank...
Oh wait, you have to make bate. Oh wait.
Make bate. And
Bate, our
sponsors.
sponsors.
May sound, may ano din, sorry.
Oh yeah, go.
Okay,
Make bate.
Pake ka muna.
Skin Dermatology
So dapat,
and Treatment
you should
Center.
always say binabati.
Yeah, binabati namin.
Or night bati.
Yes. Bakit?
Ganun talaga eh. Portion eh.
Hindi kaya rin siya. Ano ulit? Nais ko na yung batiin ang Center, J. Monistilon, Wet Professionals, Cafe Mediterranean, Styles, Philippine Star, When in Manila, Stillstar.com. And then Focus Media,
Uno Magazine, Polecats, syempre, Status Magazine,
and Borrow.
Borrow.
And of course,
Boys Night Out. And syempre, I would like to make bate. My sponsor. Lucy Britannico, Gold's Gym, Dr. Jansen, Doctora De Luna of Dental Focus, thank you so much.
And Sunny Serrano Salon, the fourth. Ayun, nabulol ako. And Rent is directed by Mr. Robbie Guevara.
Ako rin pala gusto ko rin
You want to make bate
Sino?
gusto ko rin batiin ng Vans Philippines. Thank you so much.
Wait.
And of course, Gold Gym.
I totally forgot, but I heard there's also pole dancing. I
Yeah.
just want to remind those that
Yeah.
are into pole dancing.
Pole dance, yeah.
Guys,
Yeah.
right?
Mimi kasi is an exotic dancer.
So yun.
That's
Exotic
our
dancer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not a
exotic
stripper,
dancer.
but she's an exotic dancer.
The difference of pare.
Oh.
Alam
Yeah.
ba difference?
Yung
What?
sa Davino, ayan, halo. Pag Fridays, ano yan?
Exotic din.
Exotic. Pag Sabado,
Alam na. Alam mo na.
Talaga?
And we have, ano pala, for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
For you guys.
Yeah.
Kasi ano eh, si Mimi ano siya eh.
Lasenggo. Hindi. Red Kisa.
Medyo,
Thank you so much.
para siyang
Thank you.
pusa sa play.
Yeah.
Oh, and from John Herrera.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tony.
To Angel John. Johnny Verse.
Ah,
Sponsor rin namin yun.
Thank you guys for stopping by.
Thank you so much for the night out. Thank
Is there anything else you guys
you.
want to plug? Different shows, other things? Follow on Twitter, Facebook.
Yes.
Please follow me on Twitter.
Friendster.
Follow us on Twitter.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm Ciara_Ana.
Ako naman, it's Sherry_BB.
Ako naman, @GN Magdangal. And of course, Party Pilipinas every Sunday.
Yun!
Ay, talaga.
Gusto namin mag-party Pilipinas. Kaso ayaw tayo. Masyado ng fun time eh.
Friend ko sa'yo. And my cousin Wahoo. Hi, Wahoo. Wahoo.
Hi!
Dami niyang fans.
Hi to Dr. Rochelle. Also Dr. Deluna.
Yes.
Victoria Deluna.
Yeah, thank you.
Wait, ano yung podium?
Malapit. Iba pa yun.
You know what? Yeah.
Kasi ang dami ng stick eh.
Ang
Bawat
dami.
araw, ibang doktora.
Ibang doktora. Oh.
Biro mo.
Kung hindi doktora, artista.
Ikaw din, Sam, di ba? Artista din. Oo nga, iba-iba artista.
Ako, wala.
Ay, si Tony, alam ko yan. Iba-ibang namin. Kapit-bahay namin yan eh.
Parang may building niya eh.
Pero iba-iba kay Tony.
Public service. PSA. Wala na pinipili. KFC. Kahit sino.
Sa website.
Oo nga pala, we also want to plug the summer workshop of Nine Works Theatrical.
Oh, yun ang kailangan natin.
Ayun. Acting workshop yun. Acting workshop.
Pwede ka sumali sa mga workshop and then doon nila nadi-discover yung mga talents na para sa mga musicals that they have for the year. Enjoy the workshop.
April and May.
Learn more singing, dancing, acting, and have your classmates there. And
May kissing workshop ba to? May kissing kasi.
Pwede.
Part yun ang workshop.
Imbibing your character.
May extra bite yung labi ni Sam eh.
Wait, one more pala. I teach pole dancing classes sa Movement Studio at the Union Bank Plaza. That's right in front of Metro Walk. It's on Meralco Avenue. So if you want to go
Saturday yun, 3 p.m.
Tuesday, yes, that's right. Tuesday, Thursday, at Saturday. Tuesday and Thursday, 12 o'clock, and then Saturday, 3 o'clock.
Huwag sila tama, mag-class ka.
Oo nga.
I was supposed to go to that class.
Really?
Yeah, with Lala.
Oh, that's
barkada
right.
ko sila.
Sayang, sana yung
Na
okay nung sa
I got scared eh.
No.
Professionals na kayo eh.
Hindi. For beginners din yun.
Sigurado.
Yeah.
Sige.
I teach beginners.
Sige, let's go there.
Mukhang may gagawin tayo ng Saturday.
I heard there's a cream of the crop there. Yung
May happenings yan na.
Kaya may cream of the crop.
The king. You're the king.
Mga single women nandun eh.
Yeah, madami.
Marami. Okay, good. Oh, the workshop. What's the number?
The workshop.
Same number.
Workshop.
Same number.
Just call 557-5860 and just log on to www.9workstheatrical.com. Makikita nila yung details ng workshop.
Dapat next time they come back, dapat may...
Paul?
Hindi, wag
May-
na.
Hindi, wouldn't mind.
Dapat may acting na...
Acting workshop.
Na para sa amin.
Mga
Next time.
style.
Come up with something ah.
Yeah.
For individual eh.
Gotcha.
Baka, malay mo, may...
Uy, hindi. May magandang video na parehong men po po. Super nice.
I cannot.
Tapos, alam mo yun, basta.
Silent.
You have to. I promise you. And they're straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
One line lang.
Sure.
Pare-pareho.
You can look it up.
No, I promise you.
Look it up.
I promise you. They're gonna kick your ass.
Kailangan